What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? Alright, so today I'm going to show you a simple S10 video. Now this is a ZR2. And this is going to be how to put the computer module in for the four-wheel drive, replace it. So, pretty much, I'm having this issue here where if you turn the car on, like so. Nope, wrong key. Alright, so now we put her in neutral. Okay. And then you want to shift it to 4 high. Okay, that's not right. 4 low. For some reason it's not doing it, but normally it'll flash. You can feel it pull. So yeah, it's flashing, but normally when I hit it, which is weird because for the video it doesn't want to do it, but I got the computer anyway, so I'm going to show you how to do it. But it's too high, that bulb's dead. But you hit it, and then it doesn't want to go into place. So bottom line, there's a computer down here for it. Now always check your actuator first, which is under the hood and the battery. Below the battery tray. Check that first. If not, then what you want to do is come down here to this panel, and I'll get into the other side of the car and I'll show you. Okay, first things first, you want to move this piece of trim, which I've already done. Mine's sitting in the back because I have to put it in because it fell out. And then you come do this kick panel and you want to remove that. So hold on, let me set you up on the tripod. Alright, so for these, you'll need 8mm here and a 10mm on the side, and then it'll come right off. Alright, so this is the old one. As you can see, there's a little electrical tape here. I have no idea where that's from. And it's duct taped in the corners. Now this one has foam in the corners. So this might have already been replaced once. Also, it's really dirty, as this one's really clean. And this is from a junkyard too, no less. So hopefully this will do the trick. But. Okay, new one's in it. Simple as just plugging the wire in and then pushing it back on. So, wiring. Alright, so here's a little test run. Put it in neutral. It's hard to do with one hand. 4 high. Look at that, nice. Slap back to the drive.